What if I told you there's a place so vast, so legendary, it took centuries to build, and yet it still wasn't enough to stop invaders? It's our #1 wonder, and trust me, you won't believe the full story behind it. But before we get there, welcome to Travel Theory, where your next adventure starts right now. Today we're counting down 7 jaw-dropping wonders, from an ancient city carved into stone to a pyramid that predicts the stars. These places defy logic, challenge history, and leave even modern engineers questioning how they were built. If you love exploring the world's greatest mysteries, hit that like button and subscribe, because this is just the beginning. Starting at number 7, we have the Taj Mahal, the most romantic wonder on this list. Built in the 17th century by Emperor Shah Jahan for his wife Mumtaz Mahal, this ivory-white mausoleum is basically the ultimate love letter, made of marble. But it's more than just beautiful. Every detail, from its towering dome to the intricate calligraphy, was meticulously crafted. The minarets, tilted slightly outward so they won't crush the tomb if they fall. The reflecting pool, designed to make the Taj look like it's floating. And at sunrise, the entire structure shifts colors like a real-life Instagram filter. Yet, despite its splendor, the Taj Mahal is in danger. Pollution and erosion are slowly wearing it down. So, if it's on your bucket list, you might want to hurry. At number 6, we're heading to Rome, where the Colosseum still dominates the skyline after nearly 2,000 years. Built in 70 AD, this amphitheater could hold 50,000 bloodthirsty spectators, all eager for gladiator battles, wild animal fights, and even epic sea battles. Yes, they flooded the arena. Today, it's partly ruined thanks to earthquakes and centuries of stone thieves who repurposed its materials for other Roman buildings. But despite that, it remains one of the most visited sites in the world. And here's the crazy part. Beneath the arena floor was an entire network of trapdoors, tunnels, and hidden lifts to launch animals and gladiators into the action. Basically, it was like an ancient elevator system, except instead of taking you to your office, it dropped you into a fight with a tiger. For number 5, we travel to Mexico and step into the world of the ancient Maya civilization. Chichen Itza was once a thriving city, but today its most famous landmark is El Castillo, a 98-foot-tall pyramid that's way more than just a cool-looking temple. Twice a year on the equinox, the setting sun casts a shadow along the pyramid steps, creating the illusion of a giant snake slithering down, a nod to the Mayan feathered serpent god, Kukulkan. That's right, these people were so advanced, they built an astronomical calendar into their architecture. And let's not forget the Great Ball Court, where the Mayans played a deadly game that may have ended with human sacrifices. Sports were serious business back then. Towering over Rio de Janeiro at number 4 is Christ the Redeemer, one of the newest wonders on this list. Built in 1931, this 125-foot-tall statue stands with open arms, symbolizing peace and protection over the city. But building it was no small feat. The statue was assembled on top of a mountain, meaning all the materials had to be transported up by train. And its construction, a combination of reinforced concrete and soapstone, designed to withstand Brazil's wild weather. With over 2 million visitors a year, Christ the Redeemer is now the ultimate selfie spot, but getting there? That's a different story. It involves steep stairs, a packed train ride, and a serious leg workout. Coming in at number 3 is Machu Picchu, the legendary lost city of the Incas, hidden high in the Andes Mountains of Peru. Built in the 15th century, Machu Picchu was mysteriously abandoned before the Spanish ever found it. It remained hidden for hundreds of years until explorer Hiram Bingham rediscovered it in 1911. Since then, it has become one of the most visited destinations on Earth. And the engineering? Absolutely insane. The Incas built earthquake-resistant structures without mortar, perfectly fitting stones together like a puzzle. Add in the breathtaking views, the alpacas roaming freely, and the sense of mystery surrounding its purpose, and you've got one of the most enchanting places on the planet. At number 2, we venture into the desert of Jordan to explore Petra, an entire city carved into red sandstone cliffs over 2,000 years ago by the Nabateans. Its most iconic structure, Al-Khazne, or the Treasury, looks like something straight out of an adventure movie. And that's because it is. Fans of Indiana Jones and The Last Crusade might recognize it. But Petra is way bigger than just one building. This ancient metropolis had an advanced water system, temples, tombs, and even an amphitheater. What makes it even more mysterious? No one knows exactly why the Nabateans abandoned it. Theories range from earthquakes to shifting trade routes. Today it remains one of the most breathtaking archaeological sites in the world. Finally, at number 1, the most iconic wonder of them all, the Great Wall of China. Spanning over 13,000 miles, this massive fortification isn't just a wall. It's a network of endless stones, towers, and fortresses constructed over centuries by different Chinese dynasties. The earliest sections date back over 2,000 years, making it one of the longest and most enduring feats of engineering in history. Built to protect against invaders, the Great Wall wasn't always successful, but it remains an awe-inspiring symbol of China's strength and determination. And no, despite the myths, you can't actually see it from space with the naked eye. But from the ground, it's an endless masterpiece of human ambition. So there you have it, the 7 wonders of the world, each one a testament to human ambition, mystery, and ingenuity. From the romantic Taj Mahal to the mystical Machu Picchu, and finally, the Great Wall of China, stretching beyond the horizon. But this is just the beginning. The world is packed with hidden wonders waiting to be explored. And we're just getting started. And if you're ready for more, click here to watch your next journey unfold. Thanks for watching Travel Theory. Your next adventure starts now.